Physicians Formula had announced for some time, about a week or two, maybe more, that they were coming out with a limited edition palette. I don't really use their butter bronzers. They have their butter blush, butter bronzers, butter highlighters. I wanted the iridescent one because it's white with purple, but it was like $13, $14, and I really didn't feel like spending that on one. When for Milani I could get the 3 set, you know, so I held off. Maybe there'll be a sale, I said. But what they announced, April Fool's last year, there goes my face yellow. What they announced last year was they were going to make a perfume, but it was for April Fool's. And everybody flipped out, like, we want the perfume because supposedly these butter bronzers smell heavenly. So this year they said they were coming out with the perfume. And I went to Walmart. It said it was exclusive to Walmart. And I went there and I couldn't find it. And they said, no, you have to get the palette. It comes in the palette. And it comes with 2 limited edition. It's this one is Moonchild. This one is Moonchild. And this is the one that caught my eye. That is gorgeous. And so, and this is not easy to find. I went to a couple of Walmarts. And then I went to 2 Walmarts that I know carry a lot of the stuff. So I don't know. I didn't find it here. I chose the lighter one because bronzers don't look that great on me. So I wanted this. Both had warm shadow blushes, which kind of got me upset. So they have the lighter warm blush and then the darker warm blush. So I went with the light medium. But what I really wanted was this, and this is the awesome thing about it. Is to buy one of these, it's like $13 for one. This whole set was $13 at Walmart. So you get a blush, a bronzer, 2 highlighters, and these are limited edition highlighters, and this perfume, and these 3 things are all limited edition. For the price of one of these, you get this whole set. How do you say no to that? I grabbed it. I had to have that. I had to have it. I wanted the perfume so bad. The only thing people are saying is that this is smaller than an actual butter bronzer. But who the frick cares? You're getting 4. And you're getting that perfume. I have never tried it. Everybody says it's heavenly. It's buttery and heavenly and smells heavenly. They said the perfume smells even better. I haven't even opened this. This sealed pretty good. But, you know, I had to get it. And I found this yesterday. I went to a couple of Walmarts. I had no interest in this. I said, I don't really use those butter bronzers. You know, what I like from Physicians Formula was those eyeshadows. And then I tried, you know, I got their lip thingies. And, but I wanted that perfume. And I mean, this is $15 on the website, but you got to pay for shipping. And you got to pay $35. And I really, like I said, I want to save money to get another peach collection. So I didn't really want to spend $35 on it. I'm getting $35, you know, to get the free shipping. So I'm so glad I found this at Walmart for $13. So not only are you saving $2, but for the price of one full size of these, and it's not really that much smaller, you're getting all this plus that. That's a steal. The blush, most likely, I probably use the bronzer, but I guess when I use warm colors, I could use the blush. But everybody raves about it.